Instagram has become one of the most popular social media platforms, even competing with TikTok again, back at it with Instagram Reels. So a lot of brands, probably like you, are interested. How can you monetize and leverage other people's audience? Well, let's find out. Oh, and one of the cool things, instead of just buying Facebook ads with Instagram as a platform that you will be advertising on, as opposed to Instagram creators sponsorships, is creators can have very native and organic ads, for example, on their Instagram stories. And this is where the project INSTAJET comes into play. So we'll talk about it. It took me literally 1 second to sign up. It didn't ask for any confirmations. I just enter my email, password, no personal info whatsoever. Again, it was super simple. So right when you start and check out the platform, which I'll have a link for in the description down below, you can either sign up as an influencer or as an advertiser. If you have an audience, constant flow of orders for advertising on Instagram is something that you can benefit from. Over 70,000 advertisers are willing to pay for your audience. It's a marketplace, kind of like eBay, connecting the buyer and the seller, the advertiser with the influencer. It's very easy to sign up. You obviously need to go through moderation, which is also good because advertisers go through that as well. If you're an advertiser, you can kind of see the other side of the crest. You can see how in all the betting that comes into play to just sign up for an influencer, so you don't have to pay a special agency thousands of dollars per month just to find leads for you. It's all vetted instantly. It's very easy to see here, and it's all automatic pretty much, placing native ads on Instagram stories. So all-in-one influencer marketing platform. Find, pay, collaborate with Instagram creators around the globe. They have 4,653 new users on the platform, 2,000 last month, 1,762 bloggers verified manually. So chances are, no matter what niche you're in, you'll find a blogger. So on your own, it's hard to get in touch. The blogger doesn't answer in direct message, especially if you don't have the verification, the blue check mark. And they get a lot of messages. Influencers get too many emails. No guarantee when paying a blogger as an individual. Absolutely, there's no escrow. Stories are postponed without warning. Absolutely. Slow, unorganized communication with the blogger or his manager. With INSTAJET, here is what you get. So choose from a catalog of bloggers who are ready to cooperate in one click. All orders are protected by secure transactions. You basically have a escrow service built in. You'll be able to top up your balance as an individual or a legal person. Ad placements are made strictly on time, as specific in the application and confirmed by the blogger. Transparent and clear ordering and placement control system. It's very easy to find influencers, top up your balance, recruit influencers, check and approve, measure your campaign. This is one of the next things. It's basically like Facebook ads, but better because it's organic. You leverage other people's audience. You don't pay as high as Facebook ads, especially if you niche down and find the exact influencers, and you can keep track of everything when you're launching these story campaigns. Where's my mouse? So influencers help businesses grow, introduce customers to the product, increase brand awareness, attracting traffic to the website. Something that you might think from time to time is, isn't it just better to place ads and target an influencer's audience via Facebook ads? That's a very valid question. But what do you think will convert better? The influencer converting and telling people about something, or ads before the influencers or around the influencer store? Obviously, option A, because it's more organic. It's actually the actual influencer talking to his audience, as opposed to you interrupting between the communication between the influencer and the audience and just pitching something. It's like the ad you see on TV. So it's way better when it's done like this. There's testimonials. Again, it's very easy to do. You just top up your balance right here, and you can start working on everything. Another bonus is that brands who partner with Instagram influencers get strong trust and high engagement, between influencers and their audiences. But the question is, where do you find them, right? Where can you niche down? Where can you find all these influencers? Again, link in the description. INSTAJET. It's very simple. Normally, the way brands work, and this is why I'm interested in INSTAJET as well, for one of the e-commerce stores I run, is I just have one e-commerce store right now, by the way. Normally, you go through a lot of stuff just to launch a campaign. You either hire an agency yourself, you understand how Facebook ads work or not, or you hire an agency. They reach out, they do handle your Facebook ads, post Instagram, reaching out. They have very little results because they normally have to use spam accounts to reach to influencers. The influencers do not check their requests because they have a business account. They just click request. There's too many spam. They see someone with a random profile picture, just does not work. If the agencies use their account, they'll get banned. In general, this just not work anymore. It's not 2017 and 16, sorry, 18. INSTAJET is the way to go, absolutely. So check the link in the description down below. Let me know what you think. See you next one. Bye.